Landr Studio can be great for beginners and for more advanced musicians and producers due to the amount of stuff that you get with it. So, whether it's worth it for you, it all depends on what you're looking to get out of it. But in terms of value, it is incredible. Even if you only use a couple of the things that are included with it, it's still an incredible value. So, let's jump in and see what you get with it and see if it's worth it for you. And if you decide to get a membership to Landr Studio, be sure to use the link down in the description and you'll save 20% off of your membership. So let's have a look at what you're going to get. And first off, you'll notice that there's three different levels of membership that you can go with. There's the Essentials, Standard, and Pro. And yes, mine shows the Canadian pricing. It will be lower in US dollars. So with the Essentials, you're going to get unlimited MP3 masters, and that's through their online AI mastering. It's super easy to use, it does a great job, and you're going to have unlimited MP3 masters. You also get unlimited distribution, and this goes to Spotify and all of the online streaming sites. This is the more basic option of their distribution. You're still going to get 100% of the royalties for your streaming. They're not going to keep any percentage, but we'll look at the difference when we get to the next level. You also get 1,200 sample credits, and they have a huge sample store or sample library that you can go through, and you can choose what you want in there. I go through there quite often just to find little pieces here and there for my videos, and it's excellent. Plus, what they don't tell you here is every week they give you free sample packs, so you get even more value out of the samples here. And then you get 2,000 Canadian dollars worth of other plugins and tools and courses and that sort of thing. Now, one thing to note, to get a lot of that value, you need to do the annual option, not the monthly plan. And if we go down here, you can see this is what you get if you go with the annual plan. You get all of this extra stuff here, and this stuff is awesome. The IK Multimedia Mixbox SE, which is like a 500 series rack with tons of stuff in there. You get the Landr Effects Suite. I've done a video on that. Those things are really cool. You get this Need 73 console EQ. Now, I just downloaded this. This is kind of fairly new to Landr Studio. That's another thing. They're always adding and moving things around in here, so you can check out to see if they've added anything new, but that's a very cool plugin. If we go down here, you'll see that you get Cubase LE, and this is a DAW. That's a full DAW, Cubase LE. It's an incredible one. I just downloaded it recently and I've been playing around with it. It is excellent. You also get Ableton Live Lite, which is another DAW. This one has some restrictions, like you can only have 8 tracks. I've done videos where I've made entire songs within those restrictions, and it's been all right for me. So it's a great little DAW if you can stick with those restrictions, or you can go with Cubase LE and have tons of tracks available to you. You also get Vocaline 6 Standard, which is an incredible ARA plugin to align your vocals super quickly, like in seconds, really. And this mix checker is really cool because you can load it on your master track in your project and hear how your mix is going to sound in other devices and in cars and that sort of thing. It just helps you to make sure that your song's going to translate onto other systems. And then you can see in here, there's a bunch of instruments that you get with it as well. Lots of great stuff if you do that annual plan. So that's our essentials right there. Now, if we go to the standard, as you can see, it's the most popular. It's probably the best value out of them all. And this one, you get unlimited MP3 masters, just like you did in the Essentials, but you also get 36 Wave Masters a year. 36 Wave Masters covers 3 albums of 12 songs each, or 36 singles. But the MP3 masters, they're actually really nice too. I use those all the time as well. They sound decent. So another inclusion in the standard is the Landr Mastering Plugin SE. And this is their mastering, but in a plugin that goes in your DAW. So you can have unlimited mastering through this plugin directly in your DAW. And then that way you can render it as a wave if you want. You also get unlimited pro distribution. And with this, you get premium analytics and support with it. Plus they say that your songs get delivered to the stores faster with this pro plan. Then you get 1,800 sample credits. We've gone over that, plus even more value from tools, plugins, and licenses. And I'm going to go into my account in a bit so you can see exactly what I'm getting. But I do have the Pro plan. And with this, you get unlimited HD wave masters, and that is really nice. But if you still want the MP3s, you're able to save them as MP3s as well. You get the Landr Mastering Plugin Pro, and this plugin is the next level of their AI mastering. So it does the AI stuff, but then there's some tweakable things to really take it to that next level. Say the AI mastering gets you 90% of the way, that last 10%, the Pro plugin gets you there. And again, you can load that in your DAW and you can save unlimited masters using that and save it to whatever format you want. There is the unlimited pro distribution, which is the same as in standard. You get 2,400 sample credits and then even more value in the plugins and courses and things. And the courses, I've done a few of them in here. They're really done well. So they're not just one-off videos, they're actual full courses for all different types of stuff. Another thing you'll notice that you get is collaboration. And I believe this is available in the standard and the pro versions. I'm not sure if it's available in the essentials, but this allows you to collaborate with musicians and producers all around the world. You can create a profile on there. They can contact you and even pay you if they decide to go with whatever it is you guys discuss. Or you can contact people and have them work on songs with you. It's up to you how you want to collaborate. Now let's check out what it's like within the online app of Landr Studio once you get it. So this is the home page once you log into your Landr Studio account, and you can see you have mastering right here. You can click there and quickly master a track online. You can start your release right here. You can access samples. You can go to your plugins, premium courses. You'll notice this thing right here. I mentioned that they have the weekly free samples, and you can see this week's is premium Latin hip hop, and that's a whole sample pack. You can see it's normally worth 40 sample credits, but you can grab it for free. They switch those up every week. Let's have a quick look at what the mastering looks like. So I'll click on master a track. And in here, it's saved all of my original files and my mastered files. Plus, I can organize them in folders on here. It's a really nice way to stay organized and have access to those old files in case something happens to your computer. There's also an app that you can get for your phone, and you can access all your files on there, and you can listen to your masters right on the app, which is cool. So you can take it to a car or some other audio system and connect it there. Listen to how it sounds there if you want. Now let's just look at mastering a track. So I click on new, I'll click on master, and then you just find the audio that you want to master. I'm just going to click on something here. I'm not even sure if this is ready for mastering, but we'll click on that so you can see how this works. All right, so now it's listening to the audio, and then it's going to make some adjustments. And then there's a few options that you can choose to go with. So it's created our mastering preview. So let's have a look at what that's all about. We just click on listen, and this is where we can listen to our master. I honestly don't even remember what this song sounds like. I made it so long ago, so it could suck. And if we do this volume match, then when we compare it to the original, it's not going to jump in volume. So let's do that. And we can have it in the warm style, which is going to be more like a vintage or classic kind of sound. So we'll hear that. Then there's balanced and open. And then you can also change the loudness. So you can have it low, medium, or high. And if you want, you can choose a reference track. So if you have a song from a band that you like, and that's kind of the sound you're going after, you can upload that as a reference and use it as a reference, or even one of your other songs. If you want your next song to have a similar sort of sound, you can use your older song as a reference. So let's just say I like the balanced and we'll go with high. And then I would just click on create master. And because I have the pro version, I can choose HD wave, wave, or MP3. So I'm just going to go with HD wave, click continue, and it's going to do the mastering thing. It takes usually a couple of minutes to do that, but it will end up in here. So while it's doing that, let's go check out some of the other things that we have access to in Landr Studio. So distribution. Now I've only uploaded one song through distribution, and this was my son's song. He made this about Gorilla Tag, and he took all kinds of sounds from Gorilla Tag, loaded it into a sampler, and created a song from it. So if you want to look that up, the Gorilla Tag Jam from Purple Frog VR, my son would be very happy to see that you looked it up. But it is pretty cool to see that here. And let's just go to manage. We can go to earnings, and you can see he's earned 66 cents on his song with 127 streams. So that's really cool. And then over here in tools, you can have Spotify for artists. So this lets you take control of your artist's Spotify account. And then that way you can change the profile picture, you can change the background image, you can add a bio, all kinds of stuff you can add on your Spotify account. You can also get your official artist channel on YouTube by clicking here. And that gives you the little music note beside your artist name. Plus, it gives you a bunch of other stuff that regular YouTube users don't have access to, or that they have to earn access to by getting so many subscribers and that sort of thing. So you can do that very easily right from there. So that's distribution. Let's see what else we have. Samples. We'll have a look at that. And their sample library is huge. So there's that free one that they're giving away. You can see new releases in here, new label additions, and you have all different kinds of stuff. I like to go through usually by genre and I'll go from there. But if there's an instrument that I'm looking for, I might start with that. They have best of. There's just so much in here. There's also an app. So you can load the samples right up in your computer and you can organize your samples a lot better within that app. And here's one of the things I love about Landr. It's the plugins that you get with it. So Landr stems, you can load one of your tracks in there or any track. Maybe it's one of your favorite artists and you just want to separate something in there so you can hear how the guitar is done or the bass or whatever. You can load that in there. It's going to separate the stems for you and you can do what you want with those stems. So down here, you can have it set to all plugins and you can see everything you get. You can change it to just the effects. You can see all of these effects you're going to be getting. This is a great reverb plugin. If you don't have that one yet, it's excellent. This was added fairly recently. It's a very cool compressor. Mixbox SE is that 500 series rack with lots of effects in there. And you can see there's lots of cool things in here for effects, instruments. You got a bunch of different instruments in here. I actually used this in a song fairly recently, this M-Tron Select, and it's really cool. It's nice to get that for free here. And I'm pretty sure with a lot of these, like especially the third-party ones, you can keep them even once your Landr membership expires. If you let it expire, I'm pretty sure you can keep a lot of this stuff because you register it on their site. So it's not registered on Landr's site. Some of them, like the Landr stuff, you probably won't have access to. And then production tools. So you have the Mastering Plugin Pro, which is awesome. All kinds of things in here. There's that plugin SE, Landr Composer, Vocaline 6 Pro, which is like $350 for that. And then Vocaline 6 Standard, which is like $150. Lots of stuff in here. That Cubase LE, which is an excellent DAW. If you get this and you're looking for a DAW, I do recommend checking this out because you're going to be very happy with that. Or if you want to get into Ableton, this is a nice way to get into there without having to purchase Ableton Live. So that's all your plugins that you're going to get with the Pro version anyway. Most of this stuff does come with the standard version as well, because I had the standard version for a while and then I upgraded to the pro version. And I know most of this stuff was in standard, just like this pro one wasn't. And probably Vocaline Pro is probably in the pro version as well. So premium courses, we'll just take a quick peek at that. So you can see they're adding new courses all the time. If you need to learn how to get started with that Ableton Live, you can do that right here. Lots of great stuff in here. Lots of stuff to learn. And then we'll have a quick look at the collaboration. You can see you can hire a pro, you can connect with other creators, you can sell your services on here. Then there's the community channels where you can connect with peers and find inspiration through there. So is Landr Studio worth it for you? That all depends. We just went through everything that you're going to be getting there. If you like all that stuff and you're going to be releasing music and mastering music, then I think it is well worth it for you. The standard plan is probably the best value, like the best middle ground value. But if you do have the added money, then the pro plan gives you so much more. And with that pro plan, you do get that mastering plugin, the pro version. And if you want to check out more info on that, you can actually click this video right here where I go through how to use it and what it's all about. If you liked this video that you just watched, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating. Fist bump. Thumbs up.